Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 picks for the best RV awning cleaners on Amazon. RV awnings come in different materials, such as acrylic, vinyl, polyester, and even metal. Although they are quite durable, camper trailer awnings are not impervious to dust, dirt, mold, and other unclean substances. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. RMR 86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. Some RV awning cleaners require scrubbing, rinsing, or even sanding after applications. Luckily, there is no need to exert extra effort in cleaning carrier awnings with this product. This cleansing formula is reasonably stronger than other similar products. It only takes about 15 seconds for this cleaning agent to remove stains like mold and mildew on different exteriors. Surprisingly, the solution can deal with black stains and musky stenches on carrier vehicles. This cleaning solution did a great job of restoring the aesthetics of these objects. What we like about it: does not require scrubbing, rinsing, or sanding. Strong formula to eliminate black stains and mold. Usable on other exteriors, such as drywall and vinyl shower curtains. No mixing is required before use. Easy to use, thanks to the spray on top. What we don't like about it: the bottle feels a bit flimsy and requires careful storage. Number 2. Star Bright Mildew Stain Remover. This remover only takes about 10 to 15 seconds for the cleaning solution to work its magic. After that, rinsing the dirt, grime, and gunk off my awning can only be described as marvelous sight to behold. Besides, this Star Bright cleaning compound also has surfactants. These ingredients bond with hard-to-remove filth and eliminate them from surfaces. Thus, this product can also eliminate things like grease and grime from different materials and textures. However, as it has bleach in the formula, you should be careful when aiming its spray to avoid getting the solution on your colored shirts. What we like about it: takes about 10 to 15 seconds to detach filth like dirt, grime, and grease. The highly concentrated formula for professional and commercial use. Usable with water to spread on a larger surface area. Usable on different surfaces, such as acrylic, ceramic, and wood. What we don't like about it: contains bleach, thus requiring careful application. Number 3. 303 Products Fabric Guard. This RV awning cleaner will not only eliminate nasty stains, but can also improve waterproofing. Applying this cleaning agent to a canvas awning enhances the material's waterproofing properties. Thus, this canvas awning cleaner is excellent for prolonging the life of said material. Its spray nozzle tends to do a better job than others. Spraying the contents onto surfaces does not waste the product as the mist sets into the desired area quickly. In comparison, some sprays tend to let cleaning agents spread in a broad area, reducing overall efficacy. What we like about it: acts as an awning cleanser and canvas waterproofing sealant. The spray nozzle reduces content wastage. The product dries in about 6 to 12 hours, which is quite fast. Does not change the color or appearance of the applied surface. What we don't like about it: the cleaning formula is flammable. Number 4. ProSol Bugs and All Multi-Use Vehicle Cleaner. While other carrier awning cleaners might be harmful to the environment, this product from ProSol proves otherwise. It removes filthy substances like dirt, grime, and grease while staying eco-friendly. It only takes about 60 seconds for each application, and the result is satisfying. After a minute, this cleansing formula penetrates through materials and separates unclean substances for effective cleaning. What we like about it: eco-friendly formula. Quickly removes filth like dust, dirt, grime, and grease in about 60 seconds. Safe to use on different materials, such as cloth, wood, and plastic. Does not leave an ugly residue. Non-abrasive, non-corrosive, and non-flammable. What we don't like about it: it may require 2 applications in some cases. Number 5. 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner. Do not mistake the brand name for this product to be nothing more than a moniker. The formula acts reasonably fast, as I only had to wait for 30 seconds for the unclean substances to separate from the trailer's awning. This product's distinct formulation also makes it possible to use it on different stains, such as algae, mold, and mildew. The results speak for themselves, as cleaning an RV's awning with this product is a joyful experience. What we like about it? Only takes 30 seconds to clean a spot. Effective formula for handling different stains, like algae and mildew. The eco-friendly formula does not hurt plants. What we don't like about it? Strong chemical smell. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products